Hey guys, Prime Guy 98 again, bringing you another Titanic, life-size cardboard Titanic episode. Now, you might have remembered that I made this little sketch right here of the exterior design and layout of the floor plan. I came up with something new, because today I'll be introducing the official interior designs of each individual room. Now this is the layout with furniture included, such as a bed, a table, and some cupboards. So yeah, we got the 3 individual rooms, and this is the 3D view from the side. And that looks absolutely amazing. Now, I took inspiration of 3 individual rooms. So for the hallway on the front, I took inspiration from this hallway picture right here. As you can see, that's the final design. Now, for the grand staircase, I took the massive clock and put it in the center of the room instead of the staircase, as you can see in the design. And for the and this is the room I used as an example to design this room right here. So yeah, that is pretty much each room design. So yeah, not much to say. So let's move on to the interior and explain it a bit. Because initially I didn't want to get the interior too much. I just wanted to keep it bare bones, but then I thought that it won't be the Titanic that much. So I took the 3 most recognizable types of rooms featured in the Titanic, mainly the grand staircase and the first class rooms. The hallways are just because I needed a hallway. Now the layout is a bit different because I have the skylight, let's see in here, in the center room. That's the reason why because originally I wanted to get the grand staircase right here, then the hallway, and then the room. But because the skylight was right here in the center, I could not do that, because of course the grand staircase had that massive skylight dome kind of thing, so I wanted to incorporate that in the design. But because of the way my design works, means that it's just not gonna be able to work when I put it in the front, because it won't have that skylight. So I will also work on the ceilings and such. If you look at the picture, I will make the exact color schemes and lighting. I will add battery packs with wires running to each light. And for the grand staircase, I won't do the exaggerated design in the skylight, but I will do the exact same ceiling. Just for this room, as you can see, there's like a grid pattern on the ceiling. I will add that, and I also will add carpets and flooring, and you name it, I will add it. So yeah, that's pretty much what I want to do for the interior design. Now, I don't know when I will build it. This is just the planning before the build, just like you do with every other thing. So there's not much to say right now. I'm not sure if I will add the interior inside the model. I might do that just to see how it turns out in a small scale. Now, one of you, a friend of mine that I keep in contact with, Glitchman KS, came up with the funny idea of adding a small Jack and Rose on the front of the ship. But there's a problem with that when I do that. Simply, when I build a small Jack and Rose on the front of that Titanic, I will also have to put that on the bigger version. And I don't want to do that, because that would be silly, and I don't want to make that build silly, because it's the Titanic, it is a tragedy, and I don't want to make jokes about it or something. I just want to pay tribute to the ship itself and just create my own interpretation in a small scale. Now, with that being said, again, I don't know when I will build it, but I will build it definitely in the future. So yeah, the only problem with this project will be the materials. I need to be able to find massive amounts of cardboard, like very huge plates of cardboard. I don't need like small boxes. No, I need big plates of cardboard to keep it structurally intact. Now, you might think, hey, what about the walls, the big wooden walls that divide the rooms into 3 individual sections? What about those? Will those keep it intact? Yes, but that's mainly to keep the roof from collapsing when the funnels are attached. The best way, just like I did with the model, is to make each wall one single piece. And that's going to be difficult because you need to find massive plates of cardboard. And that's going to be tough to just ship those, to like move those plates of cardboard around without denting them or bending them or whatever is a huge undertaking. But I think if you'll be careful enough, you'll be able to do it. So yeah, those were the designs of the Titanic. And I'm Prime Guy, and I'll see you next time. Bye!